Welcome to Wig Fashion Fiesta, as well as my Gracie's wig journey. Today we're going to get into the fear of wearing a wig, how to overcome your fear. So come with me, let's begin. Let's be clear. Every single one of us experience fear when we put on our very first wig. When it comes to extensions or toppers, perhaps we're a little braver. But really, when you actually put on a wig, it's a common fear we all experience. And what I did for a while is I actually just wore it in the home. And I slowly then inched out to wearing it to the grocery store. And then I slowly inched out and wearing it to a special event. Now I wear wigs every day and have no problem. So it's really something that you need to get used to. And you're all unique. So you have to follow what makes you comfortable. Some of you had no problem. You immediately go out and wear it. I find that those tend to be women that are in the fashion industry, or you're in the beauty salon with hair and makeup, only because you're so used to changing your makeup, changing your outfit, and becoming really very elegant and very beautiful. But for those of us that don't come from that kind of an industry, it can be very scary because we don't want people to, think little of us. Like, why are you wearing a wig? Like we're being fake. No, the wig, think of it as an accessory. It's an accessory that will make you feel good about yourself because you either have hair loss, maybe through a medical condition, or with age, maybe the fibers are so very, very thin, and maybe just the stress of losing a loved one. That was my case, in which my hair came out in clumps. So it did grow back, but I wanted to do something in the short term. Now my hair is fully recovered as far as its growth, but I had so much fun in this whole wig journey that I really find that these wigs are like an accessory. But here are some guidelines if you're thinking about it, or if today you're actually going to buy your very first wig. And that is number one, be patient with yourself. Figure out the best way that you will actually wear it. It may be just in the house, and slowly evolve to the grocery store, and slowly evolve to a special event. Whatever you decide is best for you, you follow through and do that. Number two, I highly recommend buying a quality wig. The reason, I have human hair wigs, in fact, a beautiful, beautiful human hair wig. Gorgeous, but it cost me less than $25, including shipping. But the problem with it is the cap construction. And I'll get into that into another video. But when you are buying your very first wig, if you're not part of the beauty industry, that you can kind of fine tune and fix things, then I highly recommend you buy from the top manufacturers. And it will be synthetic, most likely. And it will cost you anywhere from $150 to up to even $400, $500, or even $600. But I highly recommend you do that. Why? Because you're going to be able to put it on and it's going to stay on. Whereas when you're dealing with these less expensive wigs, though the fibers, even if they're human fibers, are beautiful. But unlike what a lot of people think, they think that human fibers, those wigs are more expensive. They generally are more expensive, but today you can get them gorgeous wigs for less than $25, like I did, because the cost of the wig is all put into the labor of the cap construction. And by the cap, that's basically you have the fibers that are sewn onto these strips of cloth, and then you see this is the cap. And you put this cap, you put this on your head, and it has to stay. So if you have fear of a wig, you want to make sure it's not going to come off. And of course you wear a wig grip. Other videos I get into that, you put that on first. But that will cause your wig to stay in place. But the cap the quality of cap construction is very important so that when you do put it on, it's no problem. Now, from that, then, you slowly are patient with yourself and wearing the wigs. However, you also probably are going to choose a color to match your own biological hair. That way, when you're wearing it out with friends, they basically think it's your own hair, right? Because I have dark brown hair. So my very, very first wig, the color matched my dark brown hair. But if you look at my classroom of wigs today, I call it my classroom because they all have their names. I even have platinum and blondes and reds. In fact, I even prefer that over my own, a few dark wigs that I have. But those are the ones I bought in the very beginning. So if you kind of keep to that, buy a quality wig because of the cap, therefore it will stay on. Therefore, if it stays on, you're probably going to keep wanting to wear a wig and come into this wonderful world of wig fashion. And the color the same as your own biological hair. And then you wear it according to what fits your own feeling about where you're going to wear it, when you're going to reach out and actually wear it out in public. So I hope this has helped you a little bit. My next video, we're going to get into the actual construction as far as when you're going to be buying your very first wig. There are some key things that you should know regarding should it be a lace front or not a lace front? Should it have a monofilament part or a non-filament part? When you understand that, then you will have even a better idea of the kind of style and type of wig that you want to wear. My goal is for you to feel good about yourself. A woman's hair is so important to us, and when we lose it all, it's catastrophic. But there are solutions, and you will love this wonderful world of wigs. It's a large community. There are so many network groups out there on Facebook. There's so many women out there. We all support each other, and we share our journey. And together, we all help each other. Have a great day.